Good morning, it's June 27th, 2023, and Disney has updated the Genie Plus system again. Once you get your My Disney Experience app opened up, you'll notice in the blue ribbon at the top, the Disney Genie service. That's the free service. You're not going to want to click on that. You're going to click on the purple one that says Disney Genie Plus. So you're going to want to click on Purchase there in the bottom left of that banner. Once you've hit Purchase, you'll wait on the next page to load, where you'll scroll to the bottom because that just tells you all the perks of purchasing. Just click on the purple Get Disney Genie Plus service. Once you've done that, you'll finally see the pricing pull up, and this is where your new options exist. At the top, you'll see multiple parks, which is going to be beneficial to you if you're a park hopper for the day, and that price is $27. But if you're not, you'll see you can purchase for each individual park. If you just have a base ticket or you're only visiting one park that day, you'll notice the cheaper prices are for Epcot in the middle and Animal Kingdom there at the bottom. At that point, you'll simply just click on the option that you want and choose Continue. The next screen that loads will be a Confirm Your Party screen, and you'll just click everybody that's going with you that you are purchasing the Genie Plus for that day. This is where you'll simply just look over and verify what you're about to purchase. You'll hit Continue to Checkout. And this is where you'll see that they've also added tax to your purchase. You'll see this here for the first time. They don't include that in the initial price. So you'll see that, but you'll basically just proceed to check out as you normally would purchasing any other item on your phone. If you have found this informative or helpful at all, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you and have a great day.